Good morning. My name is Bridget Talbot, and this is my presentation for week 2, ELRC 7551 AI and Adaptive Personalized Learning. The agenda will consist of the history of AI, what is HubSpot, the technological features of HubSpot, the instructional benefits of HubSpot, and how my small business uses HubSpot. The concept of building machines that mirror human intelligence dates back to ancient times when there were tales and legends about automatons and thinking machines. However, it wasn't until the mid 20th century that the real potential was discovered. Once the first electronic computers was constructed, although the phrase had not yet been coined. Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitt's 1943 model of artificial neurons is regarded as the first artificial intelligence. Can machines think? Was the issue posted by British mathematician Alan Turing in his 1950 article, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, in the journal Mind. The author claims that by proposing an experiment that became known as the Turing test, it would be feasible to find whether a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior that is identical to or indistinguishable from that of a human. The first AI programming language, LIPS, short for list processing, was developed in 1960s under the direction of John McCarthy, who first used the term artificial intelligence in 1956. Due to the rule-centric nature of early AI systems, more sophisticated systems were developed in the 1970s and the 1980s, which also saw an increase in funding. Thanks to developments in machine learning methods, hardware, and algorithms, artificial intelligence is currently seeing an increase. Neural network trains computers to process information in a manner modeled after the human brain. It develops an adaptive framework that enables computers to continuously learn from their errors and get better. Example, face recognition. In essence, the system learns to distinguish faces based on pattern it finds in the data by being trained on a large data sheet of labeled images. This is frequently used in applications such as security systems that can identify people in a crowd or smartphones that can unlock with your face. Researchers were able to develop learning algorithms and establish the groundwork for modern artificial intelligence as early as the 1990s, thanks to developments in computer power and the availability of vast amounts of data. Deep learning, which uses layered artificial neural networks to analyze and comprehend complicated data structures, has been a major factor in the increased expansion of this technology in recent years. Applications of AI, natural language processing, image and speed recognition have been transformed by this breakthrough. Machine learning aims to give computers and other machines the ability to mimic human learning, carry out tasks on their own, and enhance their accuracy and performance with practice and additional data. Example is a Roomba. It's a vacuum that uses sensors and algorithms to navigate a space, detect obstacles, and determine the best cleaning routes based on its surroundings. This process improves its performance over time using data gathered during cleaning cycles. Today, AI is now widely used in many areas of daily life, such as online shopping recommendations, facial recognition technology, self-driving car features, medical diagnostics, language translation, spam filtering, smart home devices, personal assistance on smartphones, and even advanced manufacturing processes. By automating tasks, offering personalized experiences, that analyzing large data sets to make informed decisions, AI is essentially affecting most industries. Deep learning, the term deep refers to the numerous layers within the neural network, allowing for more complex pattern recognition compared to traditional neural networks. Example: self-driving cars. All sensors are linked to artificial intelligence (AI) and self-driving cars, which also gathers data from internal video cameras in Google Street View. Using deep learning, AI mimics human perception and decision-making processes and regulates functions in the driver control systems, including steering and brakes. The tool that I chose is HubSpot, since it is an AI-powered it is an AI-powered customer relationship management software (CRM) that enables organizations to develop by linking marketing, sales, and computer services. It is intended to assist businesses in increasing sales and providing a consistent customer experience. It piggybacks Google campaigns to help create website traffic. Leads are then created so sales staff can connect with customers, leading to generate more sales. As leads come in, customer profiles are made in the system. Appointments, designs, and communication are documented so that anyone can see what is going on at a glance with all customers. The life of the cycle of the lead can be tracked. The sale or the loss of the sale is tracked and why. The paperwork for the sale is loaded in the customer's profile, then the order process starts. Order materials, track materials, schedule the installation, and send invoices. A few of my favorite technological features of HubSpot include the customer relationship management, the CRM, which is the program, and how we use each feature relates to our business. So, contact management, it creates and manage customer records and prospects by collecting names, email addresses, phone numbers, and any interaction history. Lead tracking and scoring tracks the activities and interactions of leads, such as website visits, email openings, and form submissions. Deal pipeline management creates deals, associates them with contacts or companies, and moves them through the various stages of our sales process. Reporting and analytics generate customer reports, dashboards to track sales, marketing, and customer service performances. And lastly, under the customer relationship management side is the data security and access control. HubSpot ensures the security of all of our customers' data. The second feature that I really enjoy is the live chat. It's an online service. It allows communication with customers in real time, improves conversion rates by converting leads into sales, increases customer loyalty, reduces friction by allowing businesses to address questions immediately. The third feature is the email marketing platform. It allows users to create and send email marketing campaigns. There's an easy-to-use application that allows marketers to personalize emails using pre-designed templates without having to hire a developer. The email feature allows tracking a variety of performance metrics for each email campaign, such as overall success, the number of subscribers who open an email, the percentage of users who click through to another page after opening the email, and more. The fourth and final feature that I like a lot is the integration with other platforms. We integrated our Microsoft 365 Outlook and our social media campaigns to our account. So there are a lot of other platforms, but those are the ones that we use the most with HubSpot. We do not sell anything through our website, but if we did ever decide to sell something, we could connect Shopify. So this is at a glance what a pipeline would look like. It is not the one it's not an example of mine. I just got this one from online, but ours is, we have more detail in it, and I thought it was overwhelming. This is very simple just to look at and see how the simplicity of a pipeline works. It's a sales pipeline is a series of stages that a client moves through as they go through a company's sales cycle. Once each stage of the pipeline is completed, the client is moved to the next one. This is an example of tracking all customer information, leads, sales, orders, and invoice processes. When we signed up with HubSpot, we got a supporting implementation partner who works with us to get our account set up and our processes figured per each stage of our lead and our sale. Plus, we get 24-hour support. For this pipeline page, we input the customer's information, notes about our projects, measure appointment information, the design, notes from the initial appointment and design, notes from any job site, and then the quotes. If this quote turns into a sale, then we load the documents from the signing off paperwork, and the quote becomes a contract. The simple stages for this process is qualification, meeting, proposal, and closing. But there is a lot that goes into a pipeline since sales is the breadth of my business. The instructional benefits of HubSpot includes HubSpot Academy. It's a professional growth courses. They're meant to help people keep up to date on the newest digital developments in sales, marketing, and more. You have skill enhancement. There's courses that teach users real tools and methods of creating content, attracting audiences, and converting leads into sales. Certifications, they confirm knowledge and expertise, allowing people to stand out in the employment market. You have interactive learning. These courses are interactive, allowing students to learn by doing. Refreshers, which keep their certifications, can receive people who keep their certifications can receive refreshers every 1 to 2 years. You have badges that you could add to your LinkedIn profile to show your skills. And then you have accelerated onboarding, which is a nice process to quickly educate any new employees. And all that can be ran through HubSpot Academy, which is an excellent tool. Some other instructional benefits includes tutorials, which is HubSpot's tutorials, a guided learning experience that teaches users how to navigate and effectively use HubSpot's platform, which is a comprehensive suite of marketing, sales, and customer service tools, including CRM, email marketing, landing pages, and contact management, all accessible through HubSpot Academy, their dedicated online learning platform. Then we have some how-to guides, and they are detailed step-by-step instructions available also within the HubSpot platform, accessible through knowledge base that explain how to perform various tasks within the software. Then we have webinars, which is hosted on HubSpot marketing platform, which provides tools to help with webinar operations. Webinars may help engage with customers, create leads, and educate potential customers. And finally, you have customer support, which includes ticketing, which is managing issues in one place, knowledge base, providing a source for customers to solve common problems, customer feedback, collecting and sharing insights about customers. You got your live chat, which is providing on-site chat support, reporting and goals, which is an awesome tracking progress and aligning efforts with goals. And then we have a conversational bots, which creating bots to handle common issues. So those are nice features. we use the Sales and Marketing Hub for our small business. Slides 4 through 8 explain all the benefits of HubSpot. There's a lot that they offer, but we use the sales option, Sales Hub. We use to manage our daily set tasks, such as making calls, sending emails, and scheduling meetings. We use the Marketing Hub, where we piggyback our Google campaign and to hopefully continue to generate more solid leads. There's also Breeze AI engine, and it's the core AI technology behind HubSpot. It powers various features across the entire platform. So, all in all, HubSpot keeps our small business organized. We love that it's one program that keeps all of our customer information in one location, and we can communicate with everyone on one platform. And and it includes all the details for all of our customers. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I have enjoyed the snow. My little girl has played in it all week. She's been out. Doing this presentation was very challenging with her being home all day. Every day. I'm definitely ready for the snow to melt. It's been melting today, and I'm looking forward to getting back to this normal routine. It was nice that life slowed down for a few days, but I'm ready to get back to normal. These are my references that I use for this presentation. Thank you so much.